I'm going to be reviewing the Quark Yo-Yo by Big Bang Bandalore Yo-Yos. So, let's get into it. Here we go. I hit it, but I couldn't get it up. Okay, so a disadvantage about this yo-yo is it doesn't sleep long, so it's mostly just for fun, for just making up tricks, because it doesn't sleep that long, like it's already starting to turn it out, and it just died. Dead.
Okay, so this Quark, like she said, it doesn't have much weight, so it dies really fast. And now I see the finger grind section. Oh, it wound up on me. It also has silicone response pads. I mean, it's not a bad yo-yo for finger grinds, but it doesn't stay on your hand at all. It stays about maybe like a few seconds if you're lucky. But this yo-yo overall is just for fun. I definitely do not use this yo-yo in competition, because it's just not even gonna be a good result for you. But I don't know, this yo-yo is fun for me to play with. Bring it some places just because it's a small yo-yo. Why not? It's fun. But overall, this yo-yo isn't that great for actually playing and trying to learn tricks. But it's just a fun yo-yo to have. And this is the review on the Big Bang Bandalore's Quark. Thank you for all watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.
So I would probably rate this yo-yo like maybe a 5 out of 10 or 6 out of 10, because it's really not like that great. It's like, it's good yo-yo, but it's like not like the best. And I wouldn't use it in competition.
At all. No.
At all.
No.
Like all caps, at all.